Hello, Group 1. This is Mrs. Nelson, and to do today's activity, you will be grabbing a piece of notebook paper and writing the problem. When I write, you write. That's pretty much what we'll be doing today. When you're done with that, when we're done with the lesson, you'll turn in the sheet into your red pouch. Let's go ahead and get started here. So we are going to be working on a subtraction and making sure we can subtract across a zero. Let's get started. So, please write the following number for me. Okay, so we're going to write, please write that on your paper. Pause the video while you write it. Okay, and then restart when you're ready. So, we know that this is the ones place right here. This is the ones. Okay, so that means you have $1 bills there. And remember, that 0 means that 8 and that 0 means that's all the money that you have. Okay, so what this is saying is you have 8 $1 bills right here. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 $10 bills, no $1 bills. So down here, you have to give me seven $1 bills. Can you give me 7 $1 bills out of what you have up here? No, you cannot. So what you're going to end up doing is you're going to end up borrowing. You cannot do that and you cannot do that. So you're going to end up borrowing. So then you're going to borrow one group of 10. You're going to borrow it and it becomes 7. Okay? And then you're going to turn this one $10 bill into 10 ones. So now I switched my one $10 bill for 10 ones. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 ones. I still have a total of $80 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 10 ones. So I have 10 ones. Now I can subtract and you can get rid of 7 of those. So I can give those to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can give those to you and that leaves you with 3. Okay? Then if I get rid of one $10 bill right there, then that leaves me 6. Okay? So, what you're going to do is you're going to pick 2 subtraction problems on your Group 1 work and do them, turn them into a red pouch, and then get answered. Questions, concerns? Come see me.